Good morning. I woke up now and took bath, and now we are going to Kashi Vishwanath Temple. Daily we are going. That's our goal. Either in the evening or in the morning. And now we are going to the Kashi Vishwanath Temple, and from there we are going to the Ram Nagar Fort and some other places near it. So yeah, bye. So guys, now we are at the Birla Temple. The Kashi Vishwanath Temple plan that got changed to the night 8:30 plus, because I don't know, this is very unusual. It's a Tuesday, a weekday, and there were more than 10,000 people. I mean, so much rush. So we changed it to night. Like, I don't like rush, so I told them to come at night. Like, we'll go at night. So we are going at night. Now we are at the Birla Temple. But before that, we actually had cold coffee, which is very famous here at this particular place, and breakfast I had pav bhaji. But the thing is, I have noticed one thing. I'm not blaming the hotel, but everywhere in Varanasi the pav bhaji is not good. Like, it's very, very average. It's very sweetish kind of thing, so I didn't like it. And now we are drinking tea, and we are going to the Birla Temple. Yeah. So this place is very famous for the samosas. We are gonna try it now. After the temple visit. So it's very famous over here. And here we are drinking tea. So this is the Vishwanath Temple, Sri Vishwanath Temple, or it is also called as Birla Temple. So let me show you what is inside. Okay, focus. We are gonna try it now. Guys, this is the menu. Let me show you here. So, piece samosa is 6 rupees only. And samosa chole 18 rupees. Piece lavangalat, lata, I don't know what it is. And piece laddu. Yeah, that's 6 rupees only. And this is the best samosa. This is Chole Masala Samosa. It's just 18 rupees. So you get 2 samosa. Yeah, you get 2 samosa pieces with that Chole Masala thing. Very reasonable. Looks delicious. So guys, this thing is so yummy. It's just 18 rupees, and instead of the pav bhaji I could have 2 of these. It's just 18 rupees. I mean, this is so yummy. It's very yummy, guys. So this shop doesn't have
This place is worth it.
Yeah, this place is worth it. This shop doesn't have name, but it is inside the Banaras Hindu University campus. If you search for Sri Vishwanath Temple or Birla Temple, just next to it you will find this. Please do try when you come to Varanasi. Thank you. So guys, after bargaining for 15 to 20 minutes, the auto driver has agreed now. finally at the Vyasakashi or this is the Ram Nagar Fort, okay, and the Vyasakashi Temple is inside this fort. So this is the Ram Nagar Fort, and the timings is, and there's a museum in this. This is converted into a museum. So the time of the museum is 10 o'clock a.m. to 5 p.m. It's 9:50 now, 10 minutes to go, and this is basically the fort. So as you can see, the barricade is closed. So we need to wait until 10 o'clock. It's 8 more minutes to go. And this is famous because they tell that there are some tools and weapons of the old kings over here in the museum. Again, this discrimination, guys. Indian
245.
Foreigner. Very bad discrimination, guys. But anyways, last museum was also a bit discrimination kind of thing, but it was very good. Let's see how this is. This is the interior. Let's see how worth it the money is for the museum. Yeah. So guys, there's the view of the Ganga Nadi over here. So this is the outside of the museum, but there are so many people throw so many dust over here in the Ganga. This is the worst ghat I've ever saw, because every ghat is very clean and they have thrown a lot of pan. So this is the view, and this is the Vyasakashi Temple. I was telling you, right? The Vyasakashi Temple is inside the museum. So this is the museum basically, and this is the Vyasakashi Temple. And thankfully, it's open. So this is a very small temple, but a very precious temple. There's Nandi, and that's Shivling. Oh, they have not put name over here, but yeah. So basically, this is the Shivling. I can't enter. It's a very small temple, very small linga, but it's very precious. So guys, what are my final conclusions of this museum? So the museum was very average. I mean, not too average, but it was average. Okay, so the price of the ticket is 75 rupees. So 75 rupees, I think it's a bit more. It's not costly, of course, but it's not worth 75 rupees because of two things. One, camera was not allowed. Like literally, people come to museums to capture things and show it to the public. So camera was not allowed. Secondly, it was old historical things like what the kings used. I mean, the swords and the vehicles they had, etc. So it was average. And by the way, now we are going to the room back. So guys, I forgot to tell you good night yesterday, but anyways, good morning. And now we are going to some of the unknown temples. Yeah. So I'll tell you what is it called.